Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is good. Now we are here for our next competition, which is exhibition competition of our university. So we are 5 people in our group. We are making some charts and projects. Our main theme is medical AI. We are making projects about AI. So now we will see what we are making now and what project we are making. Let's continue with this video. Thank you. So this is my chart. I am making this chart. Here is artificial intelligence, pros and efficiency eliminate. These are the advantages of the AI. Okay, and these are our members. We are working very hard. Bhai is making. So this is our prototype of robot. So our robot will be moving by this car, and our bhaiya is controlling. Okay. There is our most talented senior Fardin Bhai, who is already promoted to 4th year. He is most senior now. He is drawing kidney, portal veins. What's your opinion about this competition?
Great. Now see what I will see. What will happen? Okay.
Do you think that we can win or?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Let's see.
Okay. Now I am making the body of the robot which we are making. I am working with a glue stick. I am sticking the cardboard together to make the body of the robot. One by one we will make the hand and the head of the robot, and Fardin Bhai is helping me. Fardin Bhai, Sadul Bhai and others member of our team. They are very hardworking. today is the day for our exhibition competition. We are Team Jasu. You can look that this is our prototype, one type of robot based on AI. So I am doing some work here, removing the tape. You can see that this is the robot. Its name is Next Gen Made AI robot. We have made it, and the interesting fact is it will work. Okay, we will show you how it works. And this is our stall. We have decorated it already. One kind of there. It's smooth. It will roll. And this is our working model. And we have something. And these are the charts. Hey, our intro. Wow. Wow. It's a working developing robot. What's going on? Comfort? It's looking nice. It's coming down. Is it looking nice or not? Okay, we are almost done with our project and decoration. Now let's see how our presentation goes. Please Saidul here, do something. Please stick it to the.
हाँ अकल सब करो थोड़ा हाँ आगे करता हूँ उसके
We are doing a lot of hard work. Let's see how it goes. Look our robot.
क्या कर रहे थे?
Double brain.
This reduces the heat when the tumor is removed. The surgeon then separates the tumor from the kidney. Once the tumor is removed,
Wow! Looks like we are entering in a world of futuristic robots.
वेलकम बोलो ना और आप रोबोट ले
और चाहिए
मान इज इनफ मोर देन
you are from which team? Asian American. Okay. Hope for good. Team Jayo. Adi Pash. Good luck. Sir. Good luck.
यहाँ पे भी चिपका सकते हैं। नहीं हाथ वाला ही लीवर वाले यहाँ पे।
Team medics. Aman. Good luck यार.
हमारे इससे न्यू निकल के मेडिक्स चल गए थे।
Medics डाला है.
हेलो न्यू निकाल दिया बस।
Unity Hospital Health Heroes. Sir, Assalamualaikum sir. This is our Dean. Dean sir. Yes sir, everything is good sir. Let's hope for the good and presentation. Yes sir.
Today's exhibition.
Yes sir.
See, main thing.
Yes sir.
Exhibition is demonstration of some handmade models, no?
Yes sir.
And the most important thing during making these models, students learning structure of this organs, pathology. So making this exhibition. Most important thing is.
Yes sir.
It is not competition.
Competition. Yes sir.
For improving of knowledge. During making these models, they will learn. Other students can learn from this dummy.
Yes sir.
It will be just one part of academic process.
Academy sir. Yes sir. Okay sir. Thank you so much sir.
डबल
Guys, team Jayu, best of luck. Best of luck. This is Saimu. Saimu. Genius. Genius. Okay. Best of luck.
Where we have to place this one? ये वहाँ नहीं। अरे नहीं यार ये है ना। अच्छा ये ऐसा की तरह।
Now our round has started. Judges are coming. Let's hope for good.
For showing. We are doing this without any certification, but to show it. And this is the ideally now we will put the nitroscope there are stones present in the pelvis also which are not removable. What we are going to do is we are going to not do this procedure, but we are going to do pyoneotomy, and for that we have to put the incisions in the skin. Now this surgery is done. What we are going to do is we are going to do another surgery which will help us to remove the stones which are more than 10 mm in size. And then we are going to put an incision at the back of the pelvis. We are going to remove the stones. This is an incision which we can have because of the sunlight. And all these tools are robotic tools. What are the advantages? Above than manually, because in manual sometimes there can be errors, but robotic tools, which is known as Da Vinci surgical tools, it helps in accuracy and precision, and also there will be less loss of. Here we go, the upcoming projects that can be covered for our convenience in future. This is the brain, this is the chip. This is the neural links which are making by the models of the Elon Musk. They like fit a kind of a chip in our head which can help the human to store a large amount. So this can be beneficial for the development of future, more technologies and more health. Now also we are making this AI-powered drug dispenser machine. This dispenser is providing the drugs to the old people or the people who cannot remember at what time they can take medicine. So it on particular time, on the particular dose, it can provide. And also 3D printing organs, like for the sake of the study, we cannot study properly on 2D images or real organs maybe. We cannot touch that because like so it will flash out the proper organ and with the help of finger we can study that. And also this stem cell progenation. This was most commonly in the beginning of
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So you will see that it's analyzing the veins. It's analyzing the veins. Okay. So now this machine, venipuncture machine, will come and take the blood sample and take back. Now the patient needs to move their hand and will take the points and blood. Now see, immediately we will give the blood. We took the blood. Yes, so and this is a immunology. In which it will ask for the authentication to use the username, the password, and then it will do loading. And after that, it will ask to shake the vial, and then we will insert. And after that, it will ask what like test we need to do. If we need to do CPC, we'll click on CPC and we'll select we made with the CPC.
Sir, also we have this real working robot. Shake hands, sir.
Basically, it's an AI robot. It can hold.
The blood withdraw and hematology. So in this, we clean the patient's hand and we will slide
It can also distribute medicine if the patient is
the upcoming future. The Elon Musk technique, the Neuralink, is providing the chip. This chip named Neuralink to increase memory. Yes, it increases lots of memory. Whatever the memory is present on ChatGPT, Google, it will insert in your brain, so you can get new, more modern, more efficient model. With the help of this, human will become more efficient. And we also have drug dispenser. We also have drug dispenser machine. On the time, if we forgot to take medicine, it will create a dose and provide to the person. And also we have 3D printing, like with the help of radiations, it will give a 3D image projection, and with the help of our finger we can study. And it's also doing stem regeneration, so that if some organ is not present at a time for the transplantation, we can do with the help of this. So single gene can create an entire. Now we also have we can use the robotic surgery to remove the kidney stone. So for example, when manually we do it, there can be some errors. Sir, have you seen Kabir Singh?
Kabir Singh, yes, of course.
Sir, to avoid Kabir Singh's situation, this is created. Then he drank and did like operation. So if some doctor is sick, he can use this for accuracy.
ये जासूस के बच्चे हैं
So there will be accuracy and blood loss will also decrease and increase the rate of recovery.
Really, amazing.
Thank you, sir.
So guys, our presentation has done. I hope that we have done a very good presentation. Let's hope for the next one. Thank you. So guys, we are very happy that we got second place in this competition, and our hard work comes true, and we hope that we will achieve first prize, but it's okay, participation is all. Hope that I will participate in all competition here and do my best and do hard work. Thank you guys, see you next vlog.